Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to dive into how we made a revamped charts update that we're really excited to talk about. Going into our SaaS dashboard template, you can see right here that by clicking on one of these, this is connected to a dashboard database inside of Airtable, and I picked a specific one for MRR growth. But I'm going to add a new bar chart right here and select this exact same option. And you'll see right here, pretty simple to just get your data. And then let's pick same items here. And you'll see in this features tab right here that we're actually able to do a lot more than we used to be able to. So first of all, we do have the option to change these into all the different wonderful views that we've had prior. But when you're configuring a chart now, there you can select what kind of aggregation function you want to pick. So you can do sum by default, or we can change this number to average. And then when previewing it, we'd see how many tickets per day. And we have the option to completely change this to, count distinct values like the numbers of records instead of doing an average or a sum. And you'd pick that based off of the MRR or whatever different field you'd want to pick from. Then you pick what it would be grouped by, and then you can see by month. So I would adjust this and be able to change the aggregation function to average instead. And when I change it to average, you'll see that these will change. And then if I do, count distinct values, that would be a different one. All these different sum, average, minimum, maximum, and the number of record choices are at your disposal. You also have the option, as you can see here, to select up to 20 categories that you want to display in the chart. So max categories will be 20. You can do categories A to Z, Z to A, or you can do values in that option as well. So if we do values, Z to A, and do high to low, it's really cool how you're able to adjust this. For example, if you just wanted to show the 5 best sales months for MRR, you can do values Z to A, and it would just show the top 5 sales months for MRR. Now in a bar, line, area, or stack chart, you can actually segment your data. This means you can add a new category that will break your data down even further. So if I did subgrouping, I could then do month, for example, or if there was another subgroup, this would, as you can see, changes the way that this looks. You're able to show a legend to go along with it. Now you also have a really cool option of selecting the option to include empty cells or not. So if I wanted to treat empty cells as 0, I could untick that or have it on. And I also could have the option to include these empty cells or not. All these features you see here, as you can see, a lot of these adjustments can be made, like starting at 0 is another option, losing a log scale, more subgrouping options can be figured out inside of here as well. I mean, these are some improvements that we're making, but we're really working hard to improve these even more. Some of the features that will be coming in the future are grouping data by any time period, like days or weeks, without extra formatting of the data, improving the design of the charts and applying custom colors. And we also are really excited to announce that we are working on adjusting these and improving these for visually impaired customers. If you found this useful, please make sure to subscribe. We love all the different feedback we're getting on these videos, and we'd love to hear more about what your thoughts are on this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.